Jonathan Zerke here for Sunbuilt Custom Homes and another episode of New Homes Built Right. Today we're out here at the Vine, our development of high-performance homes in Abbotsford, and we want to talk about window wells. Window wells are basically the void in the earth for a below-grade window. In other words, it's a hole in the ground where a window is in your basement. We see three products that are generally used to manufacture window wells with. We see corrugated metal, we see pressure-treated wood, and we see concrete landscape block. We believe a better way is a stamped concrete panel. So here we have a 5.5-inch concrete panel that's been stamped. There's 3 panels here that'll make up a window well. And what's really nice about these panels is when you're inside your basement looking out, you see a beautiful stamped surface. So why don't we go over to our project called the Woodside here and take a look at one of these installed. Let's go take a look. Here we have 3 stamped panels behind me sitting on a concrete footing that is creating this window well. Let's go inside and take a look what this looks like on the inside. Here we are below grade at the base of the window well. Notice that we have our perimeter drainage, which is a 4-inch CSA PVC going through into the window well, and it comes out the other side. That's the right way to do this, so that we have that continuous perimeter drain underneath this window well. I'm standing on a concrete footing that's part of the foundation footing. That way this window well is never going to settle. That's the right way to do it. So here we are in the basement of this home, looking through where a window would be installed. Now it might be difficult to see, but there's a beautiful stamped surface in behind this window in the window well. Part of what we do for our window wells, which is very important, is we install drain rock up to about 6 inches below the window on the outside, as well as installing an additional PVC drain pipe that's connected to the perimeter drainage to act as an additional drain. We cut that PVC pipe off level with the drain rock surface, so it really makes a nice clean finish. So why is a concrete window well an important thing? Well, pressure treated wood is going to give you a serviceable life of about 5 to 10 years before it starts to decay. Corrugated metal is going to give you about 10 to 15 years before it starts to rust and break down. And landscape blocks, although they're built out of concrete, they have a lot of lines where they're put together, and you're going to see a lot of growth of weeds and possible settlement from them. Whereas a concrete window well sitting on a concrete footing is never going to move. And we know that concrete has got a long lifespan. So a concrete window well is going to provide you with many years of maintenance-free service. So remember folks, if a new home is worth building, it's worth building right.